Good morning, students. The back of leg, it has three superficial muscles. One is the gastrocnemius, second is the soleus, and third is plantaris. Now coming to the gastrocnemius, this gastrocnemius, it is a muscle which is having two heads, the medial head and the lateral head. The medial head, it comes from the posterior-superior depression on the medial condyle of femur, as well as it is coming from the capsule of knee joint. Also, the origin of medial gastrocnemius from a part of the popliteal surface. Then lateral head of gastrocnemius. The lateral head of gastrocnemius, it comes from the lateral surface of lateral condyle of femur. Also, it takes origin from lateral supracondylar line and capsule of knee joint. Then the two muscles, lateral and medial head, they join together along with the tendon of soleus, which is present below the gastrocnemius, to form a thick tendon that is called as tendocalcaneum. This tendocalcaneum, it is attached or inserted on the posterior surface of middle one-third of calcaneum. This tendon is also called as tendo-achilles. Then next is the soleus muscle. The shape of soleus muscle is like that of the sole of the foot. It is a large muscle. The other name for soleus is the peripheral heart, because it has venous sinuses which help in the pumping of the blood towards the heart. That's why it is called as peripheral heart. Now, what is the origin of soleus? Soleus, it comes from the posterior surface of back of head of fibula, as well as from the upper one-fourth of posterior surface of fibula. Also, the soleus, it takes origin from the soleal line on the tibia. Again, the tendon combines with that of gastrocnemius to form tendocalcaneum attached to the middle one-third of posterior surface of calcaneum. So, these three muscles, that is two heads of gastrocnemius plus soleus, they are also called as triceps suri muscle. Next is the plantaris. This plantaris, it is a vestigial muscle. Plantaris, it takes origin from lower part of lateral supracondylar line. Then it has a short belly and a long tendon. This tendon, it passes from lateral to the medial side and it is inserted on the posterior surface of calcaneum, just medial to the tendocalcaneum. So, these three muscles form the superficial muscles of back.